Hello guys, you welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to look into on how you can join this airdrop. Okay, this is an airdrop from Huobi Exchange. Huobi is a reputable exchange. Okay, and they want to share ren gaming token to people. So this is how you can claim it. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and do me a favor by smashing the like button. This is not going to be like the other airdrop video. This one is going to be a bit more different. Okay, so the first thing we want to do now is to go download the Huobi app. Okay, the Huobi app is available both on Play Store and as well for Apple users, okay, or App Store. So when you are downloading it, make sure you go through the app. Okay, make sure there are these reviews right there, okay, to avoid downloading the wrong one. Okay, so you make sure everything is right here. You click on the name there, Huobi, okay, and see that they only uploaded one app, which is the Huobi Exchange. So after verifying all of that, the most important thing is to try to open it. When you open it, then you come on here, click on register, because you don't have an account. If you already have an account, then I'll just watch the video so you know on what you have to do next. So right here you can sign up with your email or with your phone number, but in this case you come here, select where you're from. Okay, if you want to put in your phone number. If you don't want to do that, okay, then you click on the Google sign right there to sign up with your email address automatically. Okay, this will save you from a lot of stress. Then you click on create an account. Okay, so after that, then you come here to set up your password. For many of you guys that already know, you have to make sure you have up to 8 password and put in a number right there, and uppercase and lowercase. So let's come on here so we can see on the next step. Okay, so right here we have to follow Huobi. Okay, after following them, you have to follow Rainmaker. Okay, I mean let's just click on that link right there so we can see everything. Okay, so we have to follow Huobi, and as well we have to follow the other one. But before we do that, let's come here and click on sign in. Okay, so okay, yeah, let's click on there. So let's wait for them to log us in automatically. These will waste no time. That's why you have to use that sign of that Gmail to sign up. It will be automatically. That one works automatically. I'm sorry about that. So this is the app right here. So you have to get on me. Click on me. Okay, right there, down there. Okay, on that blue side. When you click on it, it will get you, just wait, it will show you my details. So we want to come here to come verify. Okay, don't forget. So right here we are meant to verify the level 3, okay, in order for us to get that token. So we have to verify from level 1 to 3. So when you are verifying where you're from, okay, in my case, let me impute mine. Okay, so your nationality, I'm going to put in Nigeria. Okay, so after putting in everything, okay, you can see right there. So after putting everything right there, then they will ask you, you have to continue. Okay, continue the verification. Then right here is where you are going to be asked to try your best to upload a passport or ID card or driver's license, or any, yeah, I think these are the ones that they are actually requesting for. So in my case, I'm going to use passport. Okay, for those of you guys that don't have passport, you can still use your national ID card or any type of valid ID card, government kind of issued ID card. So in my case, I'm uploading mine and I'm done doing it. I've uploaded my passport. Okay, so you have to click on back to ID verification. So when you are verifying this, okay, automatically they are going to verify your level 1. Okay, and the most important target is to make sure that you are verified on the level 2 and level 3. Okay, because if you don't have the level 2 and level 3 verified on, okay, you will not be eligible to getting that airdrop. Okay, so you just take your time and do this. You may even just take your time after doing all of this. Okay, then you see that you've been accepted, then you go ahead. So right here, there must not be any kind of fraudulent activity during this airdrop. Okay, so you don't get denied. Okay, so and you must make sure that you follow them. Okay, we are going to follow Huobi and Rainmaker. Rainmaker gaming Twitter account. Okay, I follow them right here. I'm following. I'm going to follow Huobi right now. Okay, I'm trying to hasten up because of the process. So you come on here, you have to retweet as usual, like their post, and you have to comment and tag about two of your friends. If you don't have any friend, then you can just you know um add random people. In my case, I am going to add about three people. They are asking for two people. Okay, if I have means, or if you have means on how you can add about more people, add more people. Okay, this will help too. Okay, it will help maybe boost your winning rates. I mean, the token. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to add about three people. So I just wrote to them, make sure you put in a comment that is nice. Great exchange that has been there with us for 9 years. That's what I saw. I think they've been there for a long time. So after doing that, then you click on reply up there to you know to make the post go live. So you guys should watch this and follow it. Okay, bit by bit. We've done that right now. So make sure you're following Huobi. Don't forget. So let's get on here. Okay. Then the next thing will be to get on Huobi Exchange, which is the app, and get UID number. And after getting it, then we will still come to upload our get our the post we tweeted on Twitter, and come put the link right there. So let's get on the app. Okay, make sure you ignore all of this. Don't allow them to see your location. Okay, it's not really relevant. You know, I don't like it. So you come on here, click on me. Okay, on the right, damn button. Yeah, the right one that is down there below. Okay, so you click on. You can see your UID right there. That number right there. You take it and come on here on the application and paste it right there. Okay, you have to paste it. As you can see, this is mine. Okay, it took me like a lot of time to put this video together, so you guys should make sure you smash the like button. You guys are not doing that for me, and that's how people can get to see more of my videos and promote me on here. That's the only favor I ask of you guys. So you come on here, go get your Twitter post. Okay, yeah, the tweets which you already kind of tweeted on there about them. So we have to get it. So when you get it, let's open my Twitter. Open your Twitter account. Like, yeah, go to your profile right there. Then come to your tweet and replies. So let's scroll to look for that tweet, that particular one we tweeted. So right there, you click there, copy it. Okay, let's let's get on here. Then you have to make sure you paste the link right there. Okay, paste the link right there. So you have to scroll up. Make sure you go through the terms and condition. Okay, this I think we have about 14 days, okay, before this campaign will end, and after 14 days everybody will get their token. So after doing that, you click on submit. When you are doing this, avoid any fraudulent behavior during a process. So yours can get distributed to you. I believe they are going to distribute this coin to almost everyone. Okay, so when you are trying to do this, make sure your KYC level 3 is already like on verified is verified. Okay, so that's it. It's about 5,000 rent token giveaway. So I believe even if people are like a million, they are going to make sure that the token gets distributed to everybody, because they are trying to make the token get known, and as well to go mainstream. So everybody must get this, I believe. Okay, because they are not going to leave other people behind. If only your level 3 is well verified. So you have 14 days to make sure that everything is, you have less than 14 days to make sure that everything is up and running. So just take like 6 to 7 days, because the rest of the day, okay, making it about 14 days will be time for the distribution, so this can get to you. So I think they have people, they have their system on that is monitoring everything that you're doing. So I wish you guys luck. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, share this video to all of your friends. Let's do something nice all together. You guys are not doing this for me. Let's hit like 10K, if that will be possible. 10,000 subscribers. I know that will take a little time. Love you guys, and catch you again.